Mile 23 on US1. Gonna hit the bike trail. Little bumpy crossover here. Crystal's over here waiting. We're gonna go down by Venture Out. This is mile 23.
I'm going to the yard sale.
Going where? Yard sale, which way? I've been alerted, there's a yard sale. I got my yard sailing money with me. Venture Out Resort down here is a pretty nice place to stay. They allow daily, weekly, monthly rentals. I'd book at waterfrontkeys.com if it was me. 22412, we have a garage sale. Yard sale. 22412. I don't know what that means, but it should be a ways down. Is it on Spanish Main?
I don't know. I couldn't read it.
We could not read it.
It's on this street somewhere.
Why?
Off this street.
Okay, here's Venture Out. They got their flag flying. Their condominium association. Crystal and I had a couple lots in there. We had a Wildwood Lodge in there. Didn't we?
Yes, we did. We sold it
I was
to a
trying to
very
figure
nice
out
lady.
how
Oh.
tall this flagpole was. And I'm pretty sure it's about 120 feet. Because them poles are 60. We looked them up. Double lot, new construction. Wow.
What are our house numbers?
I'm not sure.
229 something. We passed it.
Okay, well, we can turn around because I was just riding down to Venture Out for the sake of this video anyway.
That's all right.
Unless you want to go to the end of the street, I'll call it
I don't
Spanish Main Drive.
care.
You gotta give me some room here. I'm gonna swerve off and stuff. Show you where Venture Out is. It's a nice little condominium association. They got a new on-site realtor. Started July 1st. Rentals and sales. Hey, Crystal, can you grab one of them or no?
Yeah, I'll get one.
Okay. Crystal's gonna get one and we're gonna continue our ride. Okay. Venture Out. It's a busy place. Got a nice boat ramp. Little general store. Only allows one car per lot. Bunch of rules. You gotta look them up. But all this on the left is a gated community and it's called Venture Out or Venture Out Resort. The best way to visit it, since they have a ridiculous website, is waterfrontkeys.com. That's been the way to look at it for the past 15 years as far as I'm concerned. They just recently retired the lease back there where Bluescape Realty is at. They gave up the lease July 1st. I have no idea why. Don't matter to me anyway. But we're still venture out on the left, still behind the fence. Eons ago, this tells you how old I am. These buttonwoods on the left used to be all bougainvillea, which are, you'll see some at the other end, they're yellow flowers. But the properties are getting pretty high priced in there. And this is the end of Spanish Main Drive. There's a gecko on a rock. He's gonna say howdy to us. Hi. There he goes. Okay, and there's the Atlantic Ocean. There's common property at Venture Out. I love this point here. It's not publicized, but it's pretty cool. Okay, that was MileMarker 23's Spanish Main Drive, highlighting Venture Out.